Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a 9-inch capacitive touchscreen stereo from Haudio. I'm going to go ahead and get this box open and I'm going to show you what's inside. So a quick look at the outside of the box. This is from Haudio. It's a capacitive touchscreen, 9-inch, streamless phone link, large storage, and smart Android operating system. Stereo EQ settings and high definition HD visuals. Now opening the box, protective foam, warranty card, instruction manual, nicely packed stereos itself. Look how nice that is. You have your backup camera with the bracket, mounting hardware with screws, this bag here, GPS antenna, your audio and power cable, then video and subwoofer in and video out, and USB ports. Okay, with everything laid out, we have the installation hardware brackets, your warranty card, instruction manual, the stereo unit itself, 9-inch, your speaker and power wires. You're going to use either one of these, USB plugs or ports, if you will. Audio video in and out and subwoofer, GPS antenna. This is for your camera. This is the camera itself, power wire that'll run to the back of your vehicle, and your bracket. But that's what it should look like once you get everything out of the package. I'm going to go ahead and just install this in my vehicle real quick. I'm not going to show that process. I'm just going to jump straight to showing you how the stereo operates and its features. Alright, I've already installed the stereo, so we're just going to jump right into looking at the features that it has to offer. Alright, let's jump right into the features. First thing we have here, GPS. Let's go back. We have the radio. We can sift through the stations by touching these arrows here for fine tuning, or if you want to just jump quickly, just touch the bar, drag it. Or you have your preset stations, whatever you like to be set in. Let's go back home. We have your Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone or whatever Bluetooth type device that you have. Go back home. Here we have apps. We got Google Chrome, radio, music. That comes off your USB, which I have down here. Home, back into apps. We have video, Bluetooth, which I've already said that over here. Settings, file manager, like I have this USB disk in here. Google Play Store, maps, YouTube video, themes, you can change your themes. Let's see here. Let's try this one. And this will be your new home screen. If you scroll over, it just goes right into apps, Netflix, click home, your phone, your settings, system, input, date and time, storage. I have a 64 gigabyte little thumb drive on there, or 32 gigabyte. Internal storage is 64 gigabyte. So this has quite a bit of storage itself. Go back into over here. I'm going to find themes again. I'm going to set it to let's try this. That's pretty cool. I like that. I think I'll leave it at this one. So I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this and many others like it. If you end up getting one, let me know what you think of it. If you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. And until again, so I'll see you next time, and thank you very much for watching.